Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Husqvarna 450 Rancher chain is probably one of the most sought-after chainsaw chains on the market, renowned for its exceptional cutting performance and durability. In this video, we will deep dive into this chain, exploring its key features, benefits, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs, considering factors like the type of wood you typically cut, the frequency of use, and your budget. Number 5. 810 Chainsaw Chain for Stihl. This is the 810 chainsaw chain, designed for a variety of chainsaw models. It's built to provide reliable performance and long-lasting durability. It seamlessly integrates with various brands, including Stihl, Husqvarna, Craftsman, and more. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your chainsaw. They are crafted from high-quality materials for superior cutting performance and extended lifespan. Experience smooth, efficient cutting every time. These chains deliver precise cuts, reducing vibration and improving overall cutting efficiency. Enjoy a smoother, more controlled cutting experience. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Get back to work quickly and easily. This 3-pack offers exceptional value, providing you with multiple chains for extended use. Always have a spare on hand when you need it. What we like. It comes in a pack of 3, saving you money in the long run. Its compatibility with numerous saw models makes it a versatile choice for various needs. If you're looking for an affordable and widely compatible option, this is it. What people say. Chains are great cutting and last through many sharpenings. These chains cut faster, straighter, and stay sharp longer than the saw-branded factory chains by a mile. Easy to resharpen too. These chains fit my Stihl saw very well with plenty of room to adjust as the chains inevitably stretch. Aligned well with the bar track, fit the drive gear well, and came very sharp. Number 4. 810 Chainsaw Chain for Stihl 024066. This is the 810 chainsaw chain, designed for peak performance and durability. It's compatible with a wide range of chainsaw models. It seamlessly integrates with various brands like Stihl, Husqvarna, Craftsman, and more. This ensures a perfect fit for your chainsaw. Experience smooth, efficient cutting with this chain. Its precision engineering guarantees a superior cut every time. Built to withstand demanding conditions, it offers exceptional longevity. Save money and time by investing in a durable chain. Installation is quick and straightforward. Get back to work quickly and easily with this user-friendly design. Whether you're a professional or homeowner, it's perfect for various tasks. It handles everything from trimming to felling trees with ease. What we like. This pack of 2 offers a balance between quantity and cost. It's a dependable choice for maintaining your chainsaw's performance. If you need a reliable replacement chain without breaking the bank, this is a great option. What people say. Stay sharp for a long time, just as good as name brand. I own a mid-size firewood business producing 250+ cords of firewood per year. Needless to say, we go through a large volume of chainsaw chains due to wear and tear. We found 810 chains over a year ago when trying to find a less expensive chain than the orange OEM ones. 10 products have exceeded any of the OEM products for chainsaw chains. They are durable, hold sharp edge in between fillings, and overall cut very well. Been running full chisel chains for years now. Tried all kinds but never really wanted to spend the kind of money. Used the first one today. Gotta say, the best chain yet on my Husqvarna 455 Rancher. Cut like a hot knife through butter, threw out chunks of wood, damn near took the saw out of my hand pulling through the wood. Cut 1.5 dump loads of logs into firewood lengths. By now I'd be on my second chain. This one is still going strong. Number 3. 810-20 Chainsaw Chain. It's a 20-inch chain with 80 drive links, perfect for various chainsaw models. This chain is built to last, ensuring smooth and efficient cutting. It boasts a .325-inch pitch and a .050-inch gauge for optimal cutting performance. The full chisel design ensures aggressive cutting action. It's compatible with a wide range of chainsaw brands, including Husqvarna, Stihl, Craftsman, and more. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your saw. It's made from high-quality 68CRNMO33 steel for exceptional strength and longevity. The rivets are made from GCR15 steel for superior durability. It includes a safety bumper link and is UL certified, providing an added layer of safety during operation. Your safety is our priority. This chain is equivalent to many OEM part numbers from various manufacturers. This makes finding the right replacement easy. What we like. It features a full chisel design for aggressive cutting. The chain is built to last, ensuring long-term performance. If you prioritize durability and powerful cutting performance, this is the one for you. What people say. Works and cuts very well. I have purchased 5 of these brand chains for my Rancher 450, and they have been great. I've been looking for a full chisel chain for my Husqvarna 450 Rancher. I found this chain and ordered it, and I will continue to buy again. I'm very pleased with this chain. I do a lot of cutting. I sell firewood. Number 2. 3-pack replacement saw chain. This 3-pack of replacement chains is perfect for keeping your chainsaw running smoothly. It's designed for high performance and long-lasting sharpness, ensuring efficient and safe cutting every time. It delivers smooth cuts thanks to its precision engineering. Experience improved balance and safety features for more efficient cutting. This chain is engineered to reduce vibration levels, leading to consistent cuts and increased user comfort during operation. It's built to last, maintaining sharpness for extended periods, saving you time and money on replacements. Always replace dull or damaged chains to prevent injuries. This sharp new chain will help you work safely and efficiently. Remember, different saws may have different bar lengths. Always confirm the pitch, gauge, and drive links match your current bar before installation. What we like. This 3-pack provides multiple replacements for extended use. It's engineered for smooth, comfortable cutting. If you value a smooth cutting experience and want multiple chains, this is a great choice. What people say. Great deep chain guide, looks so easy to sharpen too. I've cut about 4 cords of hardwood and it's as sharp as when it was new. They fit my Husky 465 Rancher and cut great. I've had them sharpened a few times and they still perform good as new. Took chains out of the box, installed on saw, and did a chain break-in. They did stretch quite a bit, but that was the only time they stretched, even when bars got pinched. Spent about 12 hours cutting in sub-zero temps. Frozen logs, snow, frozen dirt, ash, maple, oak, and hickory, these chains were as sharp at the end as fresh out of the box. I could lay the chain across an 18 log and the chain would still walk through the log with no pressure applied by me. Number 1. 810 Full Chisel Chainsaw Chain. This chainsaw chain is designed for superior cutting performance and durability. It's built to withstand tough jobs and provide a smooth, efficient cut. With a 20-inch length and 80 drive links, it's ideal for various cutting tasks. The length provides excellent reach and control. The .325-inch pitch and .050-inch gauge ensure precise cutting. The full chisel design delivers aggressive cutting power. Safety is paramount. It's UL certified, giving you peace of mind while working. Made from 68 CRNMO 33 steel chain and GCR 15 steel rivets, it's built to last. Expect long-lasting performance and reliability. This chain is compatible with a wide range of chainsaw models from Husqvarna, Stihl, Craftsman, Johnsard, Makita, and Echo. Check the compatibility list for your specific model. This is a 3-pack, offering great value and ensuring you always have a spare on hand. It's a cost-effective solution for your chainsaw needs. What we like. This 3-pack offers great value and multiple replacements. The full chisel design ensures aggressive cutting, and the UL certification guarantees safety. If you need a safe, high-performance chain with multiple replacements, this is the ideal option. What people say. Cuts awesome. Extremely sharp and fit perfectly. Chain cuts very good. 2 hours of continuous use cutting black walnut and didn't need to sharpen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.